Conan with CR Components, showing you a complete rebuild kit for your torque hub drive motors. These go on John Deere track loaders. All the new ones have these. They have a few variations, which is why our kit has more parts than you need. Your top lid gasket, there'll be two different sizes depending on your model. Your top needle bearing inside here has three variations they do, so you'll have one of these needle bearings in yours, and the others, you can just get rid of. You got your valve seals, brake piston assembly with your shaft seal and needle bearing, your end cover seals, which all the way on the end they use two variations, so that's got you covered. And the thin snap ring they use a lot of times get bent out of shape, so we include that. You have two variations of oil plugs, the magnetic plugs, which I recommend if you have the side ports. If you have the ones in your end cover, I recommend non-magnetic, because the clearance on your gears are very tight in the end cover, and you don't want that collecting all your shards, in that end cover. Finally, you got your face seal set, or lifetime seal as John Deere calls it, which goes in between your hub. And we include two sets of hub bearings. Now, if you wanted any variations of these parts, we're always happy to let you pick and choose what you order, but this does your motor from top to bottom. Thanks for watching. Go to crcomponents.com to see this kit.